Hello and welcome to the second episode of Mixing Essentials. In this video we'll discuss how to set levels. Setting proper levels is step 1 in creating a well-balanced and defined mix. It allows you to judge the sonic information better and prevents you from overusing any other processing such as EQ and compression. Let's listen to an example. As you can hear, if the tracks are not properly balanced, it's very difficult to hear the song as a whole. Setting a rough level balance will help you listen to the bigger picture, and it's the first step in determining what the most important elements in your mix are. Now that's a lot better. It's also important on a smaller scale, for example within a processing plugin. When an effect is processing sound, the output level might be higher after applying that effect. Your brain can easily fool you, because louder often appears as better. So make sure the perceived input and output levels of an effect are equal. This allows you to judge if the effect is actually improving the sound. In the next video, we'll discuss how to shape sounds using EQ and distortion. Subscribe and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss a mixing essential. And if you want to learn more in-depth mixing techniques, sign up for one of our music production courses.